doing a little welding here today. Something a little different. This is ESOB 309 Bright Shield Flux Core. And I'm shielding it with CO2. You can shield it with CO2, or you can use a 90-10 mixed gas, which is 90% argon and 10% CO2. Some people use what they call a tri-mix, which is argon, CO2, and helium. Any of these will give you a good weld. But I'm welding a stainless head. This is the head right here, to a carbon shell. And this is a little small head. It's not but probably 2 inches. And this is another one of those rolls that'll get that 5-spoke star on it. This is a water jacket. That's what this is. It's a water jacket on the end. There's one of the bushings, the other one's on the other end. And we got some on top on the opposite sides on both ends. You can see it down there on the other end. But it's just a little something different. I want to share it with you. It's pretty tough welding. This is a 25-inch diameter roll. It takes about, I think it's 15 minutes to make all the way around one pass. You can see how slow it's turning. Haven't got the heads or the journal yet. The journal will be big. Got a repair to make today too. This was a roll. The journal, I think the bearing was stuck on it. You can see right here. This is where they got into it with a torch, trying to burn the bearing off of it. And it's also a cooled roll. So I gotta weld that plug in there. You can see it's a double bevel. It's about a 3-inch diameter journal, but up here I'm gonna put 3 stringers on this. This is all mild steel. This journal is not alloy or anything, but we're gonna add a plate to it, and once we get the plate added, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna build all of this up, and then we'll remachine it, and it'll be just like new again. Well, for the most part. And they'll grind this old chrome. This is a hard chrome surface. They'll grind this old hard chrome surface off when we send it back to them, and put a new one on. But just gonna show you this too. This was those big heads that I showed you the other day. I had the 4.5-inch diameter 4140 on it. They got them roughed in. They brought them over here yesterday and got me to weld the pieces in it to balance it. This end got 2, one on either side of the plug, but this is the opposite end. The tape is just where they had a weight taped on there to make sure it was balanced. They have all the machining roughed in now that I got the weights in it, they'll go back and finish it. These rolls get balanced twice. They static balance them to start with, which is putting them on some true rollers with bearings in them, and they tape weight to it and see if it'll just keep rolling, and instead of stopping and rocking back and forth on the rollers. That's a static balance. And then he has a balancing machine that he balances them with, and gets them pretty close to exactly balanced. But while I'm over here, these are two more of the heads for those jacketed rolls. It's just a piece of 1/2-inch stainless that they've machined, turned in the lathe and got it round. Really it's only about probably 1.5 inches, maybe thick. It's just a small jacket. It's got chill water that pumps through it all the time and keeps this chrome coating cool because of the hot material going over. But I'm gonna get off here and get this jacketed roll off of the roll driver and put this big boy in there and get it fixed. All right, y'all have a good afternoon, and I'll see you on the next one.